Hello, my name is Christina Moore. I'm the creator of the Grab and Go filing system. This question, what essential or critical documents do you need to keep, had been perplexing me for a very long time. I created this video to tell you about the product, but first I'd like to provide a fair use copyright disclaimer and general disclaimer. I was inspired to create a file system when I watched a YouTube video of firefighters training that involved burning a model house. The hypothetical question was, if you had 10 seconds to evacuate your home, what items would you take? My answer was a cell phone, because there's a lot of valuable information in a cell phone. If you had a minute, what would you take? If you had 10 minutes, can you run around your home to gather the critical personal, financial, and medical information? It made me think in general about emergencies, medical emergencies, wildfires. What if I became incapacitated? I scoured the internet to purchase a comprehensive file. Some products were affordable, but you had to assemble it, and then some products were like $200. I thought to myself, hey, I'm a lawyer with an MBA, I can figure this out. So in my research of 250 articles and sources, I found that critical records can be grouped into 9 categories: assets, insurance, legal, liabilities, medical, military, personal, pet, and tax. Under those 9 categories are about 160 different records, and I wanted to create a file system that will help people get their affairs in order. Something that was portable, compact, and low-tech. Low-tech because I didn't want us to rely on electricity, to have to turn on a computer or get on the internet to access our files. A lot of research went into putting the system together, and what we came up with is a bag and binder. So the bag is made out of 600 denier nylon, and inside the bag there are many compartments for pens, cards, as well as notes. The binder is made up of water-resistant vinyl cover, and it's a pricey component of the system, but we didn't want to compromise on the quality. Inside the binder are the 9 index tabs for the categories. Here you can see the spine of the binder and the piano hinges. It's a post binder, so the contents are secured and will not fall out. When you open it, it opens flat, and here you can see the archival safe heavyweight sheet protectors. For each of the 9 categories, I have a checklist for you, so you can pull it out, go around the house, and collect all of the records. And then for each of the record, I give you the reasons why each document is important. The sheet protectors have wide openings on the top for easy loading. And then we also added extras such as contact information for pets, household matters, healthcare providers, because those are really important. We also have a birthday and anniversary list, a form for completing drug prescription list, and medical information for each member of the household. Thank you for checking out the Grab and Go filing system. I completely believe in the product. I hope that you will like it too.